You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. Welcome to workout 16. Do you know what day it is today? It's X's and O's day. All right, in this day, we are going to be working on this letter O. And an O sounds like aw. Can you say aw by looking at your reading coach and say aw? Excellent. So O sounds like aw. Now, to practice this sound, what you and your reading coach get to do today is play a game of X's and O's. So your reading coach is going to say a word, and you need to listen to hear if you hear the aw sound, aw, inside of that word. So let's say they said the word jog, and you said jog. I hear an aw. So you get to put an aw on the game board somewhere. And then right away, your reading coach can put their X on the board somewhere. So let's say they did here. All right, they read you another word like turkey. Turkey. There's no aw in turkey. So you'd say next. And they might give you another word like octopus. Octopus. So again, you'd say, okay, octopus has an aw. I get to put another aw on the board. And you might go there, and then your reading coach right away gets to put an X on the board. And do you see the winning spot? So the winner is the one who gets 3 in a row. So if you get 3 O's in a row this way, or even diagonal, you are the winner. And you have 2 game boards that you can work on for X's and O's. Have so much fun playing that with your reading coach. Did you enjoy playing X's and O's? I hope you did. All right, we are going to now stretch apart a word and see how many sounds we can find within the word olive. Olive. Can you help me tap that one out? Olive. Are you ready? Olive. Olive has 4 sound parts. So let's get 4 boxes ready, and we would squish olive into our sound boxes. Go ahead and have a try at the word that your reading coach has on your paper. All right, let's get ready to write our O's now. So O's, we're going to start at the top. Now they're a circle, but we need to make it really look like a circle. We want our circle to start at the top. We want it to sit on the bottom line, and we are going to say aw, 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 and it touches the top line. Try again. Aw, 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 aw. Excellent. Go ahead and try your O's together. Well, you have officially learned enough sounds and words to put together a story. So on your reading sheet today, you have a story to read, and you know all of the parts. So what I want you to do again is go on a word hunt in those sentences to find all the sight words that you've learned so far. And then what you're going to do is sound out the rest of the words. You know how to do this, and you are going to do an amazing job. Now, right beside the story is a blank box. When you are done reading your story, what I want you to do is draw a picture of what happened in the story inside of that box. Have a wonderful time reading your first story in our workouts.